Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to book appointment for US visa from UK. Firstly, go to the Consular Electronic Application Center website. Complete the DS-160 form with your personal details and travel information. Save it because you'll need it for your appointment. Now visit US Visa Information and Appointment Services website for the UK. Select the visa category B1, B2, tourism or business. Pay the visa fees using available payment methods and keep the receipt number because this is required for booking your appointment. Now, log into the US Visa Appointment portal, enter your passport details, DS-160 confirmation number and visa fee receipt number. Choose the US Embassy and select an available appointment date for your visa interview. On the appointment day, bring passport, DS-160 confirmation page, visa appointment, confirmation, and supporting documents. If you're struggling to find available date, visa agents and experts can use advanced booking methods to secure an earlier appointment for you. Some services require a small fee and your US visa details to book on your behalf. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.